today we're gonna do a zucchini cheddar cheese beer bread. What we're gonna need for this recipe is flour, baking powder, salt, granulated garlic, cheddar cheese, zucchini, chives, honey, beer, and butter. So the first step is please turn on the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the first step, we're going to take our flour, our salt, our granulated garlic, and our baking powder, and we're going to mix it well in a large bowl. Next step is we're going to take our cheese, our zucchini, and our chives, and we're going to put it in, and we're going to drizzle honey and add in the beer, and then we're going to mix it well together. And we're going to take a buttered loaf pan, and we're going to add the batter and spread evenly. And then we're going to brush 3 tablespoons of butter on top. put it in the oven for 55 to 70 minutes. This is all for today, foodies. I hope you had fun in the kitchen, and I hope to see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe.